In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from your regular mirrors to these nice, larger tow mirrors. They come with the wide-angle view at the bottom and the regular mirror up top, and they even extend. Much more convenient for towing or hauling something large. Having said that, our truck has manual mirrors, nothing power operated here, so it is just a simple unbolt and bolt back up, no wires to deal with. If you do have power mirrors, that is a different story. You'll have wires to route and disconnect. If you come over here, you can remove this piece here by just pulling on it, and then you can also take off, well, you don't have to remove it, but if you peel it back at the top and at the bottom, you'll notice two holes. That is where your two mounting bolts are, 2 of the 4 that hold on this mirror. These right here are the other 2, so let's remove the rubber caps. And now, with all of them exposed, get an 11mm socket, remove all 4. I like to leave the top ones for last. That way the mirror is supported at the top and doesn't want to fall down. Start over here because this is easiest. We'll go to this one. Slow and steady. Last one, support the mirror because it will want to fall off. Pull it straight out, and there's your old mirror. Take your new mirror, line it up with the holes in the door. Once it lines up, go ahead and press it on nice and tight. And then I'm going to start with this mounting bolt over here because it's easiest to reach. Once it's on a few threads, you can let go. And then I'll go to the other top one. That way the top is fully supported. Go to this bottom one over here. Okay, make sure they're nice and snug. And last one is this tricky one. Just make sure you don't drop it in the door. Whoa. Okay, put this back, the trim piece back. Put back these 2 grommets as well. And now you can go ahead and adjust your mirror to however you want it and take it for a road test.